Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can see your YouTube subscription list in this quick tutorial. Let's get started. You have to do is open up your YouTube app, and once you open up your YouTube app, first you have to log in your account, and then you can see your subscription list. So as you can see over here at the bottom, you will see five options over here. On the right you will see your profile, and beside this you will see subscriptions. So once you click on this, you will come in your subscription list. So to check it out whom you subscribe on YouTube, you have to do is on the top click on all. Once you click on all, you will see your subscription list, or whom you have subscribed on YouTube account. So you can see over here I have subscribed bunch of peoples over here, so you can simply see over here your subscription list as well on your phone. And that's it. That's how you can check it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.